Hey, hi guys. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm requesting you, all of you, who is watching my videos on YouTube. Uh, this is my kindly request. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Hit on the like button. Then only I can reach many people. Thank you, guys. Um in the yesterday's session, we have discussed until here. Okay, guys, in today's session we are going to discuss about filtering options in Power Query. Okay, guys, need to open the Power Query, transform data, click on this. Okay, guys, Power Query window got opened. Previously in yesterday's class, uh, I have connected to Excel file, right? So that my previous table will store in the recent sources, because that's recent sources geo options will do that. Okay, click on recent sources. My data is in Amazon Data India Excel file. Click on it. I want to load orders table. Check that box. Click on OK. Table got loaded into Power Query. Okay. Guys, today we are going to discuss about filtering conditions in Power Query, right? For that, I want to duplicate this original file. Duplicate it. Rename the duplicate file as orders east and basic filtering. Okay. Here, guys, under choose columns, go to column. Here under region column, I wanna see only east region data. Only east region data, but in this table, west, north, south, all the data was stored in this table, but I wanted only east region data. For that, I'm going to apply filtering condition on this table. Click on this. Here, guys, below the search bar belongs to basic filtering conditions, and above the search bar belongs to advanced filtering conditions. After learning about basic filtering conditions, we will discuss about advanced filtering conditions also. Okay, unselect all and click on east. Click on OK. Okay, guys, here how many rows you can able to see here? 165 rows. Here we have 999 rows. This table was created by this original table. This was the duplicate file of this one. So our filtering condition successfully applied on this duplicate table, right? Okay. I wanna do another modification, not east. So I'm going to remove this applied step. Rows automatically got increased through increased, right? 999 rows. Here we have a state column, right? Under state column, I wanna see only Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Tamil Nadu data only. I'm gonna unselect all, click on Andhra Pradesh, search for Telangana here, and again search for Tamil Nadu here. Okay. Previously, there was many states, plethora of states in this column. But now, after applying the filter conditions on this column, we have only 3 states under this column: Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Okay, guys, and I would like to load the employed table also. I would like to load this table. Okay, table got loaded into Power Query. In this table also, I want to perform some filtering conditions, basic filtering conditions. I'm going to duplicate this table and rename it basic filtering. Okay. Here, under job column we have a plethora of roles, right? Manager role, president role, clerk role, analyst role, and salesman role. So here we have a 1 2 3 salesman data was captured under this table. Okay, I wanna display only salesman related information on this table. So I'm gonna filter this column, uncheck all columns, and select only salesman, because I wanna see only salesman related data. Okay, guys, only here we only see salesman data on this table, but in the previous table, this is the original file, guys. This is the duplicate file, this is the original file. In the original file we have a plethora of roles right here under the job column, but in this we have only salesman. Okay, guys, in this way we can perform basic filtering conditions on these tables, not tables. We perform basic filtering conditions or advanced filtering conditions on a particular column. Okay, guys, I'm gonna copy and paste it here again, because this time I wanna perform advanced filtering conditions. Okay, ADV filtering. Okay, guys, here under job column. Okay, below the search bar belongs to basic filtering conditions, above the search bar belongs to advanced filtering conditions. This time we are going with advanced filtering conditions, equals to salesman. This is basic filtering, guys. Job equals to which column we are going to change. Job column, right? We selected job column here, equals to CEO salesman. Again we will take salesman. Okay, end operator here. Here I wanna see salary greater than uh, 1100. The person who is working as a salesman and the person who is having greater than 1100 salary. I wanna display those people data in my current column or current table. Okay. If you want to add another condition also, we can add here. And operator, job, uh, mm, job equals to clerk. Again, the person who is doing clerk job and having salary greater than 1100. I wanna display those persons details on this table here. Okay, click on OK. Oh, okay. Give me a sec. Or this time I have to use or. Okay guys, why? Because I selected or here the job salesman or clerk who is doing this two roles. I wanna display in my advanced filtering table, so I used or condition here. Okay guys, see here, job clerk, and salesman. Here when we observe the salary column, okay, wait guys, here we have to another condition also. Salary, we have given the condition for a person who is doing salesman job. Okay, again we have to give another condition for the person who is working as clerk. I wanna see the persons who are working as a clerks, their salaries equals to, not equals to, uh, greater than 1100. I wanna see those people's data in my current table. Okay, we can found here. Previously we have a 4 clerks was appear in the table, but now we have only one clerk here because there is in the previous table only one clerk has salaried greater than 1100. That's why Miller fetched into this advanced filtering condition table. Okay, these are the I think these examples are enough for basic filtering and advanced filtering. For using orders table, we are going to perform another basic filtering condition. Orders. On orders also, we have already one basic filtering condition column, right? We will going to create a table with advanced filtering conditions. ADV Okay, here uh, choose columns, go to column, and it is I have where is sales? Here, click on it. Number filters, greater than, advanced, sales is greater than. I wanna see here uh, more than, more than 2080 guys. I wanna see more than 2080 and less than, or equal to, less than or equal to, what is the highest sales amount? This was highest sales amount in this table. I'm gonna check this. Okay guys, the table which is going to be created on this filter condition, on the table I have to see only the sales amount which has 2080 and above 2080 and below 3180. I want to see those columns only. Okay, click on OK. Here guys, you can observe here what amount you can see here. Okay, we have given 2080 greater than 2080. This value is greater than 2080, right? Okay, what is the highest value in this table? This is the last column guys. Okay, okay, this is the highest value. We have given the condition as is less than or equal to 3180. Okay, that condition passed successfully, right? These are the filtering conditions guys, basic filtering and advanced filtering conditions. Okay, thank you so much guys.